Does cracking your knuckles cause arthritis? The answer is no. That loud popping sound is actually gas bubbles bursting. Your joints are lubricated by a substance called synovial fluid. When you stretch your fingers, you create a vacuum in the joint space, causing dissolved nitrogen gas to form bubbles and instantly collapse. It is basically the sound of a tiny explosion happening inside your hand. It takes about 20 minutes for the gas to dissolve back so you can pop them again. If you crack your knuckles, hit like and subscribe for more myth busting.